Hello students, in previous tutorial or previous video we have seen how to create our web page with various menus, how to change the design and how to change the styles of our web page. So do or give your styles as per your requirements or as per your design interest. Now I am showing how we can add image slider to this home page. So this is the about page and this is the home page. Okay, for home page there is a link of default.aspx and for about there is a link of about.aspx page. So we may change the code here. We go towards the default.aspx. So by default these contents are there, so I am removing these contents and now I am adding, okay, these are the main content, and here I am adding one Ajax control as update panel here. So I am adding update panel. Inside update panel I am taking one AdRotator control. Then after adding AdRotator I am adding one script manager, and then finally I am adding timer control. Timer, script manager and update panel, these are the Ajax control, whereas AdRotator is placed inside the standard tab, standard category. Now I am changing the interval as 60,000. By default it is 60,000. Now I am changing it as 2000 because I want to change every image after every 2 seconds. Next image we will display in image slider. So I am using here 2000 millisecond means 2 second time interval I am setting here. Now for this AdRotator we need to give one XML file where all the images we may place. So for this we need some images to display on image slider. So I'm copying some images from my computer. So I'm selecting some 6 to 7 images. I'm copying all these images and I'm going towards my project window, and in project I'm pasting all the images. I'm pasting all those 7 images. Now we can create one XML file. So I'm adding one new item in my project. So go downward, we may see one XML file option there. So this is the XML file and I'm giving the name as AD XML file and click on OK, add. Now this is the blank file. Here we need to add one advertisement tag, advertisements tag, and inside advertisement tag we need to add some AD means advertisement tag, AD tag. Inside that we add image URL tag, and inside this image URL we need to give our image name as download.jpg. See our images as download.jpg, then download1.jpg. So I'm copying this and paste multiple times. 7 times I want this, so I'm giving the name as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So take the number of images as per your choice. I am taking here 7 images. If you want 10 images, 15 images, then use AD tag that number of times. and give a respective image name inside this image URL tag. So this XML file is ready to use now. Inside this, now default.aspx, for AdRotator there is one arrow symbol. We may click on this arrow symbol and choose data source. Inside this I am choosing new data source. Then we connect that XML file to this AdRotator file. Now here there are various options. We select XML file option and click on OK. Then we browse here and add our created XML file. Then click on OK. So our XML file is successfully attached to this AdRotator. Now if we run this application, we may see the image slider. Our app is running inside Internet Explorer. If we see on Google Chrome, we may see there as well. So this is our image slider. After 2 seconds, the image will be changed. Now if we want the height and width as entire screen of my image slider, then we may change the size of this AdRotator. Here there are some properties. Height, I'm giving the height as 600 and width as 1200. These are in pixels. So if I save the changes and see here, the effect we see immediately. Entire width, entire page. We need to change the height. I don't want 600 but some 500 pixels I want size. If I click on save, so my image will fix inside our page. Now if I change the height property, width as 98% and height also as 98%, then see the effect. Some 88%, then we may see 78. So in this way you may see, or you may give image slider to your home page. Here in Google Chrome we may see the changed styles of our menus. So in this way you may give image slider to your home page.